So first of all, let's actually talk about the 3 different dimensions. Okay, so I'm going to give you a crash course really quickly. These are the main differences. So what we're looking at here, if we're looking at from a frequency perspective, right, we've got the 3D, right? And this is like your 3D vibrational experience in Earth. And then we're shifting now into the 5D Earth. And if you're wondering why I've drawn V's, this is like the consciousness funnel. When we look at the consciousness funnel, when we're looking at when it's contracted down the end, we're looking at frequencies that are stuck in our energetic field, like guilt, fear, shame, apathy, right? And the whole thing is we are shifting into the 5D Earth, where our default vibration will be love or above, 500 hertz and above. And so what we're doing is we're literally purging, we're releasing all of these dense lower frequencies. Why it can be a bit of a turbulent ride, and where this is the ascension process, right? So now in this reality, we're feeling frequencies from, joy and love and acceptance and oneness. And so this is a journey, and part of this is the bridge. And when I talk about the bridge, is a lot of us right now are actually shifting and starting to shift into the 4th dimension, 4D reality. And so part of the 4th dimension too is it can feel a bit turbulent on this 4D gate or 4D bridge, because it's kind of like we're quantum jumping in different earths, and depending on our emotional frequency will literally dictate the earth that we vibrate in. So we can literally be quantum jumping in hundreds, if not thousands, of different earths every day, whilst we are shifting into the 4th dimension and then eventually the 5th dimension. And the way I want you to think about it is like you're in a game. You're in a simulation right now. And so I want you right now to think that you're in one big giant computer game. And so because of this, we're like one big video game, and everything is programmable. And so every aspect is programmable, and you can either be the character in the game, or you can be the player controlling the character in the game, or you can be the programmer of the entire game. And so when we look at 3D, 4D, 5D, this is a distinction. 3D, we're the character in the game. We feel like we're in it. It's happening to us, right? We have no control. We're not the creator, right? Then it's kind of like 4D, we shift into more awareness. This is where kind of timelessness happens. And so we're shifting into more awareness. We're choosing to respond, and we've got the controller of life. We're controlling our avatar in the 3D simulation. And then the 5th dimension is we become the creators. We are source energy.